It is said, Vusamazulu Credo Mutwa could resurrect the dead. What remedies and plants were he using?
Why do people say that you can resurrect the dead?
In many African traditions, resurrection was never about escaping death. It was about restoring nourishment where depletion had taken hold. In this episode, we explore one of the most respected life-giving plants on Earth, Moringa, often called the miracle tree. Moringa is not powerful because it attacks illness. It is powerful because it feeds the body back to strength. Across Africa, Asia, and the tropics, Moringa has long been used where malnutrition, fatigue, and chronic weakness were common. Every part of the tree has been valued: the leaves, seeds, pods, and roots. But it is the leaf that carries the greatest nourishment. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants known. It provides vitamins, minerals, protein, and antioxidants in a form the body recognizes and absorbs. Moringa contains high levels of vitamin C, supporting immunity and tissue repair. It is rich in vitamin A, essential for vision, skin, and immune resilience. It also contains B vitamins, which support energy, brain function, and metabolism. The leaves are rich in calcium, supporting bones and muscles. They contain iron, supporting healthy blood and oxygen delivery. They also provide potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for nerve signaling, muscle function, and cellular communication. Moringa is rare among plants because it contains all essential amino acids. This makes it a complete plant protein, supporting muscle repair, enzyme production, hormone balance, and immune signaling. Moringa is also rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, compounds that protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is not disease itself, but it is the environment where disease develops. Moringa helps restore balance at this level. When the body is nourished deeply, many systems begin to regulate themselves naturally. Moringa contains compounds such as quercetin and kaempferol, traditionally understood to calm chronic inflammation. Inflammation is not the enemy, but when it becomes constant, it drains vitality and weakens resilience. Moringa has also been traditionally used to support balanced blood sugar and healthy insulin response. When blood sugar stabilizes, energy becomes steady and long-term strain on the body is reduced. For the heart and circulation, Moringa supports healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure. A nourished heart beats with greater ease. The liver is the body's great filter. Moringa's antioxidants support the liver's ability to process toxins and regenerate tissue. When the liver is supported, the entire body functions more smoothly. Traditional use and emerging research also suggest that Moringa supports brain health and cognitive clarity. Nutrition is not separate from thought. A nourished brain thinks differently. With its dense nutrition and antioxidant content, Moringa strengthens immune readiness rather than forcing immune response. This is prevention through nourishment. Traditionally, Moringa is considered food before it is considered medicine. The leaves are cooked like greens, dried and powdered, or added to meals. Moringa powder is commonly added to smoothies, teas, soups, or sprinkled onto food. Small, consistent amounts were traditionally preferred over large doses. This plant works through daily relationship, not urgency. In traditional systems, Moringa is often combined with other plants. When paired with plants such as Tetradenia or Artemisia annua, Moringa provides the nutritional foundation while other plants address specific imbalances. Moringa feeds the body while other plants guide the healing process. Moringa is powerful because it is active. It may interact with certain medications, including those affecting thyroid function or blood sugar. Quality matters, and sourcing is an important part of wisdom. Guidance helps ensure nourishment becomes healing rather than confusion. If you feel drawn to working with Moringa for nourishment, prevention, or recovery, guidance matters. At Health Habits Holistic Care, we provide education, personalized support, and access to carefully sourced products rooted in traditional wisdom and modern understanding. Our contact information is available below if you would like further guidance or support. Moringa does not resurrect through force. It resurrects by feeding life back into the body until strength remembers itself. Stay with us. The plants are still speaking.
If this video resonated with you, and you feel curious to explore natural healing more deeply, you're invited to connect with Health Habits Holistic Care. You can visit the website to learn more, or book an online consultation at your own pace.
This knowledge is shared in the spirit of remembrance. Plants carry wisdom passed through generations, and each body receives that wisdom differently. This information is shared for educational purposes only and does not replace personal medical care.